Hi, my name is Karen Albright and I'm the owner of Body Lace. We're a medical spa and I come here to leap ahead to learn how to run a medical spa. This will give you the blueprint for your med spa. I came earlier to the mastermind and to the book writing seminars and loved those, so they were so good and so informative, and I took away so much information that I just had to come to the leap ahead. It's a wonderful program. I highly recommend that you join and listen and learn to everything Dory has to say.